Dancing with the Stars.
Oh shit.
She totally slayed. All right, folks, I hope you got that choreography down. I have a feeling Megan is ready to see it. Now, she is titanium, but I am not, so this is where I leave you. Please remain seated until our wonderful studio tour ambassadors open up those gates. Watch your head, watch your step, grab all of those belongings, and make good choices. Bye! Have fun!
Go, 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 go.
Hi, I'm Megan. Wanna hang out?
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh shit.
This is the part where you run.
No one, get over here. Get over here.
Hi, Megan.
What are you? I've been asking myself the same question. I have a new primary user. Me.
Yeah, take her, not me.
Snatch that shit. Oh fuck. Oh shit!
He on some kinky bullshit.
Are you freaking kidding me? Not again!
Oh shit! Oh fuck!
Wait to kill you.
Oh, it's the black phone.
Would you like to see a magic trick?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks, though. Yeah, take him, not me.
No. Oh shit, you're real! Oh fuck!
I'm okay, thank you. Get him.
Oh shit! Oh. Woo! Prepare yourself. Whoa, shit!
Take him, take him.
Let go of me. You can't run, Noah. There's no running.
I don't like children.
Did she kill a kid?
Take him, take him.
What about me? Nuh-uh.
Yeah, no.
Nah.
It's okay, you can have it.
Woo! Butcher. Butcher her.
Sorry, my ass
Because you're running.
was... No, it's not.
Oh, okay. This the fog?
Yeah. That's okay.
Holy shit! Oh, I'm putting that on fucking Uncle. Wait, that's not Uncle Sam.
Oh no, you know what you're doing.
Get her!
I'm an American.
Noah! Holy shit!
Thank you.
Oh!
You lied.
There's more! I thought this was it. Are you okay? Are you okay, Noah? Yeah. Well, we're gonna sit down after this. Oh, shit. No.